Good afternoon, my wonderful people. Another tomato review is going on in social media. Someone bought tomatoes and posted it in the social media, complaining that what she saw is not what she wanted to buy. It's not tomato that she wanted to buy. So let me let you watch this video, then I will say what I want to say about it. Thank you.
So I just opened this tin tomatoes now. I've had it for a while. I decided to open it to use tonight because I just need to whip up some stew. And this is what I found. Look at. Like, the people that make these tomatoes could even pretend. Like, they could even make it to have small tomatoes inside. This is just flour coloring. Even the coloring could even red it up that much. If you see, it has this, should I call it pinkish or brownish color? So this is just flour coloring, vinegar, sugar, salt. That's it. What's the name? Telus Foods. Telus. This is why I don't recommend Nigerian products. See how much of a whack their tomatoes is. For those of you who eat Nigerian products, be careful what you consume.
So, as she said, that no one should buy Nigerian products. No. There are Nigerian products that are good. Some of Nigerian products, there are some of them that are good. So it doesn't mean that because you bought that one, that Nigerian products are not good. No, some are good. But the big problem in Nigeria is that the market or product control system is very, very poor. It's very poor and they don't care. So everybody does what they want. So they produce whatever they want to produce because they feel that nobody controls them. That is the big problem in Nigeria. Secondly, there are a lot of adulterations. If you have your product, someone else might go somewhere else to produce something else and put your name, put the same product's name. And when people buy it, they will think that it's the same person. So there are a lot of adulteration in the country. So this tomato now she posted might be a fake one. It might not be from the real company, the original company that are producing it. Maybe someone has produced this one at the backyard and wrote the name of the real company on it in order to destroy people's business and for them to make more money and cause sickness for people. And my advice to our people is that before you review someone's business in social media, please make a research. Make a thorough research. Be very, very careful of what you are saying. Be very, very careful of what you say about someone's product. Make your research in order not to end up like Chioma. So my people, what do you think about this review this person made? What do you think? Because I think this review is what is going to be in social media and everybody would like to review other people's products. But as you are reviewing, make a research so that in order not to enter into another problem. Thank you.